Let's meet the Ulefone RugKing 3 Pro. Like other phones in the RugKing lineup, it's built to take a beating. But unlike many rugged phones, it doesn't feel oversized or awkward to use. It's still tough and ready for outdoor use, yet the design stays practical in size and not overly bulky. If you want a rugged phone that's comfortable for everyday use, this one might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's see how it holds up in real life. The box is pretty straightforward. It's not overdone, but it's also not completely blank. There's just enough on it to tell you what's inside. Overall, it has a clean, rugged look that matches the phone itself. When you open it up, right on top, you've got the user manual and the warranty card, and you also get a tempered glass screen protector, which is always a nice bonus. After that, you'll see the RugKing 3 Pro itself. Let's put the phone aside for a second because underneath it you've got the power adapter and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Just the basics to get you started. Now let's talk about the phone itself. This thing feels solid in your hand. The corners are reinforced, the back has a nice textured grip, and even though it's rugged, it doesn't feel like you're holding a brick. It's definitely bigger than a normal smartphone because of the rugged protection. But compared to older heavy rugged phones, it's easier to handle and use daily. On the sides you've got power button and volume keys, custom shortcut button. You can set to things like flashlight or camera. Triple card tray for 2 nano SIMs, plus a micro SD card, waterproof plugs over ports to keep dust and water out. Everything feels well placed and easy to reach. I also wanted to show you a display size comparison between the RugKing 3 Pro and the RugKing 2 Pro. At the end of the day, it really depends on what you prefer. If you like a small, compact, rugged phone, the RugKing 2 Pro makes more sense. But if you want a bigger screen for watching videos or browsing, then the RugKing 3 Pro is clearly the better choice. The RugKing 3 Pro comes with a 6.56-inch HD Plus IPS display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and you can definitely feel that smoothness when scrolling through menus or watching videos. The resolution is 720 by 1612. It's not flagship level sharp, but it's bright, clear, and perfectly fine for everyday use. It also has an oleophobic coating, so fingerprints and smudges don't show up as easily. Overall, it's a big, comfortable screen that works well outdoors and feels great for daily tasks without feeling cramped at all. And yes, this is a proper rugged phone. It comes with IP68 and IP69 water and dust protection, which makes it perfect for people who work outdoors, go fishing, or even want to record videos while it's raining or around water. This is a phone you don't have to worry about getting wet or dirty. Under the hood, the RugKing 3 Pro uses a Unisoc T7250 octa-core processor and 128GB of storage, which is also expandable up to 2 TB with a micro SD card. That's plenty for apps, photos, navigation, videos, and multitasking without major slowdowns. It runs Android 15 out of the box with a clean and simple interface. You get all the modern essentials like Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC for Google Pay. The RugKing 3 Pro packs a 5700 mAh battery, which is a solid capacity for normal use. You'll easily get through a full day with regular browsing, video, and outdoor tasks. Like other rugged phones, it supports 10-watt wired charging, 5-watt reverse wired charging, and even 10-watt dock charging. So you've got flexible ways to power up or use the phone as a charger for accessories. For photos, the RugKing 3 Pro is a clear step up from the previous model. On the back, you get a 48-megapixel main camera for your everyday shots, along with a 2-megapixel macro camera for close-up details. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. These cameras aren't trying to compete with flagships, but they are reliable and more than good enough for travel photos, documenting work, and daily social use. I'm recording this video on this phone RugKing 3 Pro in 1080p FHD. It does not offer 4K, and this is the result you get from the back camera, which is 48 megapixel. This is 1x and this is 2x zoom, and you can go way to 4K or 4x zoom. All right, this is 1x. Let me show you. Looking not bad. Okay. All right. See? Okay. Now I'm recording this video from the front camera, which is 8 megapixel and also offer 1080p FHD recording quality. It does not offer 4K, but it looks okay. And there's only one light in this room, so this is the result. I guess it's not bad, and outside would be much better in daylight, but it's already dark outside, so that's why I'm recording this video inside, and I guess it's not bad. So that's the Ulefone RugKing 3 Pro. It's a rugged phone that hits the sweet spot between toughness, performance, and daily usability. The bigger screen is great for media and browsing, the battery lasts a full day, and you've still got all the rugged protection you want. If you are thinking about picking one up, check the purchasing link in the description. I've left all the details there for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.